I am trying to find the number of employees in the year 2000, and I'm going to let that be X. And we know from 2000 to 2003, there was 1 quarter increase. 2003, 2006, there was a decrease of 1/3. So if I take 1/4 times the number of employees in 2000, that gives me the number of increase from 2000 to 2003. All right, so if I started out with 2,000 employees, if we started out with X employees, and then we add to that the number of increased employees, this gives me the number of employees at the end of 2003. And X plus 1/4 X, that's 4/4X plus 1/4 X, that's 5/4 X at the end of 2003. Remember, we're trying to figure out 2000. So if I take 5/4 X, and what happens from 2003 to 2006, there was a decrease. So minus 1/3 times however many employees you have, which is 5/4 X. So that's 5/4 X minus 5/12X. And I'm going to get a common denominator of 12. This one's already over it, so 5/12 X. And I need to multiply that by 3, multiply the top by 3, and that gives me 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. 12 X, and reduce that by 2, and that's 5/6 X at the end of 06. At end of 06. Well, the problem tells me that there were 100 employees in the company in 2006. So we need to set that equal to 100. Employees equal employees. And that's 5X equals 600 because I'm clearing my fractions by multiplying both sides by 6. And that gives me X equals 120. Divide both sides by 5. And that's the number of employees in 2000.